Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the granny square motif number 20. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches and techniques. So to get started, you're going to chain 4 and you are going to work 11 double crochets into the last chain from the hook. Then you will join with a slip stitch. Here we are on round 2. We're going to start off by chaining 4. Then we're going to go straight into the repeat. The repeat is going to be double crocheting into the next stitch, followed by chaining 1. And you'll repeat this all the way to the end of the row, and then you will join with color number 2 with a slip stitch. So in that chain 4 space, you're going to insert your hook and leave it right there, grab yarn color number 2, and join with a slip stitch. Do not fasten off the other color, just keep it the way it is. So then we are going to start off on round 3 by chaining 1, and we're going to single crochet into the same space as the slip stitch. Then we are going to chain 3. Going straight into the repeat, we are going to single crochet into the next stitch, followed by chaining 3, and you're going to repeat this all the way around, and you will join with a slip stitch with the first color of yarn into the first chain 3 space. So right there in that chain 3 space, we are going to join yarn color number 1. Then for round 4, we're going to start off by chaining 1, and we're going to work a single crochet into the chain 1 space from round 2. So the blue chain 1 space right there, that is where we're going to be working our single crochet. Then we will chain 3. So the repeat for this round is going to be single crocheting in the chain 1 space from round 2 and chaining 3. You'll repeat this all the way around and join with yarn color number 2 in the chain 3 space. Then you will fasten off yarn color number 1. So here we are into the chain 3 space. We're grabbing yarn color number 2 and we're going to go ahead and fasten off yarn color number 1 because we no longer need it. Here we are on round 5. We're going to start off by chaining 1 and then we're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be single crocheting into the chain 3 space and chaining 4. You'll do this completely all the way around and you will join with a slip stitch. Here we are, just join with a slip stitch, just regular, nothing fancy for that slip stitch. Then we are going to chain 1. And we're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be working 5 single crochets into the chain 4 space. And you'll repeat that all the way around until the end of the row, and you'll join with a slip stitch and fasten off your yarn. So again, that's going to be working 5 single crochets into each chain 4 space. And here we are, just finishing off. And there you have it. That's how you do the granny square motif number 20. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Granny Square video. Have a happy crochet day!